introduce you to is our couples, our famous couples from famous Bollywood movies who are going to be our point of reference to teach you everything money. Please note that the characters, places and theme of this picture are imaginary. Any resemblance with anyone living or mortal is accidental and unintentional. Please do note that the examples we've used here are from the movies and are based on the characters of the movies and in no way relate to the living actors from these movies. So the first couple that we would like you to introduce you in this course is Two States couple, that is Krish and Ananya from the movie Two States. So we know that they both met in the MBA school, so they are both graduated from MBA and are working professionals. So we know that Krish is working in Citibank, he's a banker, and Ananya has a marketing job at Lakme. So we know that both of them have good high-paying jobs and both earn and contribute together towards their family and household expenses. So they are basically a perfect couple who are in love with each other, fought so much to be married and be together that now they want to do everything equally and together. So they are basically a couple where both the partners are earning and almost earning the same amount, and hence they are contributing equally towards everything. The next couple is the Tamasha couple from the movie Tamasha. If you remember, in that movie, Tara was a banking professional and was a hard-working, salaried individual, whereas Ved, who was initially working but by the end of the movie becomes a theatre director and actor. So we've considered that profile of Ved to introduce an interesting couple in our examples, where one person is a salaried individual and has a fixed pay, whereas the other spouse is a business owner or a freelancer or a creative person and has their professional income. So this example would be applicable to the couples where both of you are earning but the source of your income varies. So in this case also they are a working couple like the Two States couple, but because they have different professionals, their income varies a lot. And salaried person has regular income, whereas business person, that is Ved, has unpredictable income. And how do you manage your cash flows? By keeping these two factors in mind will be discussed with the example of our Tamasha couple. So now if you're already either a Two States couple or Tamasha couple, identify yourself as that. If not, let us introduce to our third couple, that is the Ki and Ka couple. So if you've seen the movie Ki and Ka, in that we know that Ki is a working professional, she's in a marketing job and is doing wonderful at her work, whereas Kabir, that is Ka, is helping her and supporting her in her professional dreams by being a stay-at-home husband, or he's a homemaker. So we basically know that they're both playing a reverse role to traditional families, but you can use this example where one of you is a professional and or a salaried individual and is earning for the family, and the other person has taken the responsibility of taking care of the family by being a homemaker. Now once Ki and Ka couple is taken care of, the fourth example is the K3G family. By K3G family we mean it's a big family where you're living with your parents, in-laws, and everyone has a family business and how they are managing the money. In that case, how does a couple manage their internal finances would be explained through the example of K3G family. So now what you have to do is you have to identify yourself based on who is earning between the two of you, how you guys are earning, and what is your source of income, and then identify yourself as either a Two States couple, a Tamasha couple, a Ki and Ka couple, or a K3G family. In most cases, you would be Two States or Ki and Ka. We would be introducing Tamasha couples where, in cash flow examples where both the partners earn very different income, how and what are the ways in which they can manage their cash flows. In fact, we would be using Tamasha couple a lot in our later sessions of taxation and investments. Don't worry, we shall explain all the concepts of your money management by using these examples. In fact, why don't you let us know in the comments below as to which couple you are, so when you ask us any queries in the later sessions, we would be able to advise you in the right manner. So go ahead, identify yourself as any of these couples.